Ever wonder why some folks instantly push back the second they're told what to do?
Are they just being arrogant, or is their brain literally just wired differently? Let's find out.
Psychologists actually call this a high need for autonomy. To them, independence totally equals survival.
Instead of just blindly obeying, these thinkers have a built-in delay. They logically process every single command.
They essentially hit pause, run a rapid-fire logic check, and ask, is this actually necessary? And if an instruction fails that internal logic test, boom, you're going to hit a brick wall of resistance.
This shows a massive divide. External pressure completely crushes them, but internal motivation, that sparks a real fire. Bark an order, watch their productivity totally tank. Give them a choice, they'll literally outwork everyone.
This inner drive isn't just stubbornness, guys. It actually fuels vastly superior, deeply committed long-term results.
Plus, they're super sensitive to social power. They instantly sniff out any subtle attempts to control them. Even a totally casual command feels like a major threat if it reeks of unearned ego.
They aren't anti-guidance at all. They welcome good advice, but absolutely refuse being treated as inferiors.
People-pleasing? No way. They will gladly disappoint others to protect their own core self-respect.
It's not rebellion just to look edgy. Staying true to their own standards is literally everything.
So resisting orders doesn't mean they're rude. It's actually proof of intense, self-driven mental strength. Next time you face an independent thinker, ask yourself, do they need control